Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we believe is the best Kuject Portable Neck Fan available on the market. This sleek and modern wearable fan offers a perfect blend of comfort, style, and powerful cooling performance, designed to keep you cool wherever you go. The Sly & Spin AI Portable Neck Fan features 6 adjustable wind speeds, allowing you to customize your cooling experience from a gentle breeze to a strong airflow. Whether you're working at your desk, enjoying outdoor activities, or simply relaxing, this fan adapts to your needs effortlessly. Its hands-free design means you can wear it comfortably around your neck thanks to the ergonomic silicone neck protector, which ensures a snug fit without causing discomfort even during extended use. One of the standout features is its impressive 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery, providing up to 20 hours of continuous use on a single charge. This makes it an excellent companion for long days outdoors, travel, or even during power outages. The USB-C charging port ensures fast and convenient recharging, so you can get back to cooling down quickly. The fan is engineered to deliver a 360-degree surround wind experience. This means the airflow is evenly distributed all around your neck and face, offering comprehensive cooling without needing to adjust it constantly. What's more, this neck fan operates ultra-quietly, making it suitable for use in quiet environments like offices, libraries, or while you're trying to relax. Constructed with durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, the fan combines robustness with lightweight portability. Its twistable design allows you to adjust the direction of airflow precisely, giving you ultimate control over your comfort. This flexibility ensures that no matter the situation, you can stay cool without fuss. This neck fan is ideal for a wide range of activities: hiking, camping, gardening, sports events, or simply commuting. It offers practical cooling wherever you need it most. Additionally, its modern and stylish appearance means it doesn't look out of place whether you're wearing casual clothes or office attire. The package comes with a charging cord, so you're ready to power up the fan as soon as you receive it. Plus, the brand offers 12-month professional support and around-the-clock customer service to assist with any issues or questions. In summary, the Sly & Spin AI Portable Neck Fan is a highly versatile, long-lasting, and quiet personal cooling device designed with the user's comfort in mind. It combines customizable speeds, a powerful battery, 360-degree airflow, and ergonomic design to provide reliable cooling on the go. If you're looking for a practical and stylish way to beat the heat, this portable neck fan should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.